What's up, Rosie? Caleb, how do we hear? What do you mean? I mean, we have eyes, we have mouths, we have noses, and we have buffers. That covers 4 of the 10 senses. Although, we do have teeth. That's why we can't eat anything. But we don't have ears. So, how do we hear? I don't have a clue. It's something I never thought of before. Neither have I today, and it's driving me mad trying to hear our conversation with our friends. Maybe we're just good at lip reading. Our lips don't move, Caleb. And they didn't do that in Thomas' Magical Avengers era either. Bother! You're right. I'm completely stumped then. About what, Caleb? Where'd you come from, Molly? You just wanted me to be in this video. Oh, I see. Well, maybe you can answer Rosie's question then. Which is what? How do we hear when we don't have ears? Our funnels, Rosie. Sounds echoes around through our smoke boxes. That is how we're able to hear. Of course! It's so obvious. Yes. Thanks, Molly. I better get to work. You're a genius, Molly. I don't know what we'd do without you. Don't be silly, Caleb. You're just giving me a lovely smile. Hold on. Aw, man. Diesel engines don't have funnels, so how do they manage? Well... Oh, bother.
Hey, what's going on here? Why is it your day off?
I thought I never say this, but I'm glad you're here, Spam Cam.
Oh, nice. What do you want?
How do you hear?
The same way diesels do. Sounds pass through our grills and bounces around in our cavities.
There you are, Rosie. Mystery solved. But what about the trucks and the coaches? How do they... Rosie? Yes? Shut up. Phew, morons.